Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to our new chapter, Playing with Numbers. In our daily life, we come across quotes printed on many things, like barcodes. Like you have when you buy the product, this is like this line in form of this barcode is written like that. Like bank codes. Do you know these codes are designed to convey specific information? Because under these codes some information is stored. So that should not be visible to everyone. So to identify the quality of the code, quality of the product, every vendor mark the barcode on that. So in this chapter, playing with numbers, we deal with different type of numbers: two-digit number, puzzles, magic number, like games, how to coding the number and decoding the number. When you your textbook in your normal textbooks, did you see on the back of every book there is barcode is written, that we call it coding. Coding means some particular words you have to mark the different words to identify the words. That is a reasoning part. You change the text into different codes and when decode it and convert back into the original one. So that we will deal with playing with numbers. So in this section, playing with numbers, we start with numbers in general form. Numbers in general form. Another name of general form is your expanded form. In your classes, when you have any number is given to you, you write in the expanded form. Like if you have like this number is given like 3, 7, 4, 8, like this type of number is given. When you write this in expanded form, you first check the position. This is ones position, this is tens position, this is hundred position, and this is thousand position. So what you do, thousand position number multiply by 1000, and seventh position number, like second last, this number second number multiply by 100 position, then 10 into 4 plus 1 into 8. So this is your expanded form: 3000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 1 8, sorry. So you write this number in the expanded form. This expanded form we call it the general form. Okay, but here we are not dealing with the 4-digit number. This number we call it 4-digit number, like first digit, second digit, third digit, and 4 digits. 4-digit number when combined according to their position, so that become one number. That number we call it a 4-digit number. But in this our chapter, we are dealing with a 2-digit number and a 3-digit number. So here, we have two types of number: 2-digit number and 3-digit number. 2-digit number means in that number only 2 digits are present, and in 3-digit number only 3 digits are present. 3-digit means single digit between 0 to 9 or 0 to 9. But condition is that we have in our math, our number system, we are using the symbol from 0 to 9, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you have the position of like this single digit number, so in place of this you can mark any digit between 0 to 9, not 2, like 11, 12. We are not considering that one, that becomes 2-digit number. But in particular position here and here, we mark with the single digit between 0 to 9, any number from here. A 2-digit number has 2 digits, first at the 1 place and the other at the 10 place. But in the 3-digit number, first at the 1 place, second at the 10th place, and third at the 100th place. So how we write this one? Suppose I have a number like 57. Okay, so first when I write in expanded form, I write with 50 plus 7. So that means this 5 digit is in 10 place and this 7 is in 1 place. So we write like that: 10 into 5 plus 1 into 7. So that means 10 multiplied by 10th place digit and 1 multiplied by 1's place digit. Similarly, if I have a 3-digit number, so I suppose I consider a number 245. So how I write in expanded form? 200 plus 40 plus 5. So that means 100 multiplied by 2, 10 multiplied by 4 and 1 multiplied by 5. So that means 100 multiplied by 100 place digit and 10 multiplied by 10's place digit and 1 multiplied by 1's place digit. So how you write, consider in the formula. Suppose these are the digits, but in place of digit we have variable is given. Like here, if I have write like AB, so how I write according to that AB, that is 10 into A plus 1 into B. So that number becomes 10 into A plus B. Similarly here, if I have in place of this digit some variables are there. Variables means there can be any value under this. X can be any value from 0 to 9, Y can be any value from 0 to 9 and Z can be any value from 0 to. But if in place of this value, if value representing any variable is there, so how you write this one? So similarly, same case, 100 multiplied by X, 10 multiplied by Y and 1 multiplied by Z. So that becomes 100x plus 10y plus Z. So these are the 3-digit number explanation and these are the 2-digit number explanation. Okay, next is if you want to reverse the number. Now, what does it mean? Reversing the number. Reversing means you swap the number with each other. If it is 2-digit number, suppose I have 72. If I want to write reverse of 72, that becomes 27. You interchange the place of 1's and 10's place. Okay, so that becomes 27. So that is for the 2-digit number. But if I have a 3-digit number like 468, so how I write the reverse of this? Reverse means first last digit should be written as first, second last should be written as the next, and first one digit should be at last. So if you look at the number, only 1's and 100 place are interchanged. 1's and 100 place interchange. Here 1's and 10's place interchange. Okay, so what you have to done in your exercise, if it is written that you have any number is like that is written, if it is written that you have to write in the general form, then you have to write this way. This is the general form of 2-digit number. This is the general form of the 3-digit number. If it is asked for the reverse of the number, if it is reverse of the number, if it is 2-digit number, you interchange 1 place and 10 place with each other. But if it is a reverse of 3-digit number, you can directly changes 1's place and 100 place. In first and last place are interchange in 3-digit number, and in 2-digit number both two numbers are changes their places. So this is the reverse of the number if you have question like that. So write the general form, you have to write in this form, expanded form, general form of 3-digit number. 2-digit general form is 10 into 5 plus 1 into 7 like this, and 3-digit general form is like this. And reversing If 2-digit number is there, if you want to reverse that number, you just interchange their places. But in 3-digit number, you interchange first and last number with each other, only in 3-digit number. Now in this regard, I have some question like that. If in this case your number is like that, this is for the example like 27 and 864. But if I have a number like that, 10a plus b, okay, and 3-digit number is 100x plus 10y plus z. We just do this number. How you write the reverse of this number? If there is no proper digit is places there, so what you do, you just interchange with b and a, so that become 10b plus a. And here I already told you first and last digit is interchange and middle one is as it is same. So how you write? 100 z plus 10y plus x. So that is the reverse of this 3-digit number. If only variables is written to you, you have to just interchange first and last variable, and if 2-digit variable is given to you, you have to interchange the place of variables, where 10 multiplied by a plus b in original number. So after interchanging, one place variable will be multiplied by 10, and what number multiplied by 10 before that change their place to one place. So that is the reverse of the variable. So in this regard, if I have a one question like that, sum of a 2-digit number, if I have a given sum of 2-digit number is 9, that means if I have a 2-digit one number is there, if you add the 2 digit of that particular number, that gives you 9. Okay, if the digits are reversed, if the digits are reversed, if you reverse the digit with each other, the new number so formed, the new number so formed increases. If it is written word increases, that means addition. If it is written decreases, that means subtraction. Increases by 27. Find the number. Here in my question, I have a 2-digit number, I have a one number. In that number there are 2 digits are there. If you add the digit, that becomes 9. But if you interchange the digit with each other, you swap ones and 10 place with each other, then whatever new number is formed, that is same as when you add 27 in the original number. So you have to find what will be that number. Like here, if I write reverse of this number, reverse of this number, so whatever reverse number after find, we call it a new number. So that is new number for us. So in that case, first we consider what are the digit in 2-digit number. So first we consider let ones place digit is equal to x and tens place digit is equal to y. So we consider these 2 digits. According to that, our number should be in xy form, but we have to write in general form. For writing the general form, like this number is there xy, but you have to consider general form. General form of xy is equal to, x is in the unit place, y is in the tens place, and that becomes yx. So here should be yx, because x we consider as at a ones place and y is considered as the 10 place. So general form of yx is 10 into y plus x. So that becomes my original number. So we consider my original number is equal to 10y plus x. Now reverse number. In reverse number you have to interchange these two places, like 10x plus y. I already told you one place is changes with the interchange with the 10 place, or ones and tens place swapped with each other. So here original number, reverse number. Now let's see in my question what is written. Sum of two digit number is 9. It means whatever we digit consider, so if we add these two digits, my answer will be 9 according to the statement. So y is equal to 9 minus x. We consider this is my first equation, this is my second equation. Now according to the statement में हमें ये लिखा है कि अगर मैं इस ओरिजिनल नंबर में 27 ऐड कर दूँ तो वो रिवर्स नंबर के इक्वल हो जाता है. Then according to the statement, reverse number is equal to, if we add in original number 27, if it is written, suppose it is written in your question in place of increases, it was written or it will be written decreases. So that means you have to subtract from here. Suppose in question, same question, instead of increases 27, you have to be written decreases 45. So instead of plus 27, you have to write minus 45. So whatever condition is given, if increases, you add, if decreases, you subtract. Otherwise, this question is same. Now, how you solve this question? You just open 10x plus y is equal to 10y plus x plus 27. Variable shifted on another side. 10x minus x plus y minus 10y is equal to 27. That becomes 9x minus 9y is equal to 27. You take it 9 common. X minus y is equal to 27. X minus y is equal to 27 divided by 9. X minus gives me 3. Now this is my equation. Now question is that how I will find x and y variables, what I consider the digit. So here look at my second equation. Second equation, y is equal to 9 minus x. So what I do, I just simply put in this equation x minus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 9 minus x. You have to write here, substitute equation 2, substitute, or you can directly write, put equation 2 here, that is y is equal to 9 minus x. That you have to write here. Now here x minus 9, when you multiply negative with negative, that gives you positive x is equal to 3. Then 2x is equal to 9 plus 3. Then x is equal to 12 divided by 2 gives me 6. Now I got the value of x is equal to 6. So what will be the value of y? That is 9 minus x is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Now I have two values of x and y. These are the digits. 6 is in one place and 3 is in my tens place. Then what was my original number? 10y plus x. So original number according to that, tens place is 3, like 10 into 3, and 1 place is 6. So that is 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. So this is my required answer, original number. But if I want to check according to the statement, if I add 36 plus 27, 36 plus 27, so what it gives you? 36 plus 27, 63. Or similarly, if you swap the digit, that is 63, that is my reverse number. Reverse number is 63, and when you add 27 in 36, that gives you same as 63. This way you can check your answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.